out to Willard, and now we're heading towards Millbrook, that kind of way. Anyway, we're on the Levo today. To Millbrook now. So here we are in the sticks. I think we're going that way. We're off route, but so what? Here we are on the Bedford to Bletchley line. We'll wait 5 minutes for a train, but they only run every half an hour or something like that. Not too sure exactly what this is called here. What it just says the ridge. Here's a name for it. I'll put it in the comments when I do the editing. No chimneys anymore for Stuartby. So I've actually gone the wrong way. I came to go around Millbrook, but I didn't even know this existed. We should be down there somewhere.
Yeah.
Just come up there. Damn steep. So this is a perimeter fence of Millbrook Test Circuit, and we're going that way.
When I wake into the morning sun, well, I feel another day has just begun. I see those clouds up in the sky. I don't care, everything is gonna be alright. And I want you to know, some feelings come and go, but for you mine will never change. It's harder than it seems to know what to believe. Here in my mind I hold you close. I got to keep on walking with my head held high, because I see the sky on a day like this, and I know I will be free. Oh, I will be free. seen a face like yours. It makes me smile just when I think of you for sure. And all we have is all we have to show. And all we need is here for free, just so I let you know. And when I hold you close, it's you I love the most. You take my loneliness away. I saw you in my dreams, and then you came to me. Will you be mine, our only hope? I got to keep on walking with my head held high, because I see the sky on her day like this, and I know I will be free.
Here we are, riding around Millbrook circuit, around the perimeter fence. Some fantastic scenery around here. Let's move on, I think.
You to know some feelings come and go, but for your mind will never change. It's harder than it seems to know what to believe. Here in my mind I hold you close. I got to keep on walking with my head held high, because I see the sky on her day like this, and I know I will be free.
Didn't expect a train to come through, but it did. Here we are at St Mary's. Let's have a look inside. I believe it's open.